Foi tonu, te hai, o tu wā. Tapu, foi fuka, oku, lingia. Tapu, I, Pouono, I Latu, que ni pela. Tapu, foi lupe, o Tonga, kausunia, aliakava. Koe, Tātāanga, hoku mafu, te whā. Turau, kau lea, he mooni, o eku, o whā. I hoku, whanua, a Tonga, manu ia. Nutuku, kirangi, mei mua. Lawea ya, koe, toa. Mawha, e a ta. Ulo, e la a. Siu, welo pe, he whonga, whanua. O tuora, he kioro mua. Koe, whakawhawhonga o Tonga I Australia. Tau la, ki he maku ko loa, oi atu, whanua, I kai ki ta tau, moe, huelo, horangi maa. Tau la, ki he kakara, oi atu, whanua, I kai ki ta tau, moe, alaa, alaha, ho'o, tō onga. Tahine, Angelika, Lātūfuipeka, Tuku'aho, he kohoku, Ofa'anga. Tua, Ofa'anga.
Malo elelei. Kohoku ingoa te Josephine Pomale. Kohoku ta o tawha eni. O Pouono he api ako a Kingsford Smith, pea o kuo kalasi valu. Ko tuku ha whakamalo ki he otua, he tahi o ku whai ma a tautonu he ahoni. O kua loto ka wahe mo ki motolu, he e whiawhini, ai mahu inga o epu I loi, hoku tuku'anga, koe Tonga au. Ne ongo na e whae le I au I Australiana. Kai ki mua ia, ko ulua ki tuku, ha whakaapa-apa, ki he tahine prinsesi o Tonga, Angelika Lātūfuipeka Tuk'aho, koe whakawhawhonga whoki o Tonga I Australiana. Atu mo e whakaapa-apa lahi ki he ngahi whakawhawhonga o e otu motu Pasifika kotoa. Whakaapa-apa ki he kautaki lotu mo e kautaki community. Mo ki mo tolu kotoa o ku uheni he Pouono. And for those of you who didn't understand that, hello everyone, my name is Josephine Pomale. I'm 14 years of age, I go to Kingsford Smith School and I'm in Year 8. Before I start, I'd like to give all the praise and glory to my Heavenly Father for giving me this opportunity to stand before you all today and read my speech. I'd also like to pay my respects to the traditional owners of this land, the Ngunnawal people, of both past and present. Today I'd like to share with you all why it's important for me to know and learn my true identity as a full Tongan raised in Australia. But before I do that, allow me to pay my respects to the Princess of Tonga, Angelika, Lātūfuipeka, Tuk'aho, who is also the ambassador of Tonga in Australia, and to all the ambassadors gathered here as well. I'd also like to pay my respects to all the church leaders, community leaders, and everyone gathered here tonight. Knowing and learning my culture is important because it's a part of what defines who I am as a person. To me, culture is something that belongs to me. It's something that I know I will have forever. Yes, I was born in Australia, but I know that I am full Tongan with a Tongan family, a Tongan tradition, and a Tongan body. It's a sense of belonging. My culture is something that will always cling with me. No one can really give you your culture, you're born with it. And no one can take it away from you, it's yours to keep. Some always ask me if I like being Tongan. The truth is, I don't like, I love. I mean, you can't not love who you are. And just waking up in the morning and knowing that you have so much family beside you and so much support in your life is something that you really can't take for granted. One of the things I love growing up in an Islander family is that we are all very family oriented. When we do things like parties and reunions and functions, it's always together as a family. You never feel left out. Once you walk into an Islander family, it's like you become a part of that Islander family. No one treats you different. They give and show you the same love and respect that they give and show everyone else. One of the things you are taught as an Islander is to always be thankful for what you have. You never really focus on what you're going to get tomorrow. Now that doesn't mean that you don't have to care about your education or what's planned for you in the future. It just means that no matter what happens, you're thankful for what is given to you in life. And no matter if that thing is big or small, we are always taught to share. You can't really have or do something without offering those around you. But if you don't like sharing or aren't grateful, well then I guess your parents will make you do it anyway. But one of the things I loved growing up in an Islander family, even up to this day, is my religion. My mum always said to me, God first, family second. And that's how I lived. When I wake up, I pray and thank God. Before I eat, I pray and thank God. And even before I sleep, I pray and thank God. I can't really do anything without giving it all to my Saviour first. I'm not joking about the religion thing. I had my mum read a Bible story to me and my siblings every day and then ask us questions to see if we remembered it. Now me, of course, being the smart one, I always got the answers right. Now I could go on and on about what it's like to be a Pacific Islander, but if there's one thing that I know, is that I can leave here today telling you all that I am proud to be Tongan. Thank you.
Please, once again, give a round of applause for Master Mosese and Miss Josephine.